Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the rogue sword. First, you need to find the hidden cave entrance, which is cleverly concealed in the western mountain range. Once inside, prepare to face 3 formidable guardians. Defeat them to clear your path. After they are vanquished, proceed to the central pedestal and collect the ancient map fragment. This piece is crucial for your next step. With the map fragment in hand, your next task is to decipher its cryptic markings. This will reveal the exact location of the forgotten shrine, often found deep within the Whispering Woods. Upon arrival, you'll encounter 3 challenging riddles at the shrine's entrance. Solve each one carefully to unlock the path forward. Finally, activate the ancient mechanism by inputting a specific, precise sequence. To ensure a smooth journey, I recommend bringing at least 5 health potions. The guardians can be quite tough. When you reach the shrine, remember that the riddles often involve clues hidden within the environment itself, so look closely. Also, for some of the smaller obstacles along the way, a stealth approach can save you valuable time and resources. Patience and observation are your best allies here. After successfully activating the mechanism, the path to the rogue sword will finally be revealed. Approach its resting place within the shrine and claim your well-earned prize. This legendary blade offers unique abilities and significantly increased damage output, making your future adventures much easier. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Tree's black ice for your car, along with other great deals. Enjoy your new sword.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.